Most of the time, the full moon isn't completely full. We always see the same side of the moon, but the moon's rotation causes parts of the moon to be in shadow. The moon is only 100% full when the moon, Earth, and Sun are perfectly aligned. If you enjoyed the super blue moon on August 19th, the next full moon in September will bring you another amazing lunar event. The September full moon will appear a little larger than usual, which is why it's called a supermoon. A supermoon occurs when the full moon coincides with the moon at the point in its orbit closest to Earth, called perigee. A supermoon occurs when the full moon's orbit is closest to Earth, when the moon is full. According to NASA, the full moon, which is about 326,000 miles from Earth, appears brighter and larger than a normal full moon, which is why it's called a supermoon. The full moon closest to the autumn equinox, September 22nd or 23rd, is always called the harvest moon. Unlike other full moons, this full moon rises at roughly the same time for several nights in a row, around sunset. That allows farmers to get moonlight for a few more nights and complete their harvest before the fall frosts. Read more about the harvest moon. The harvest moon can be seen on the night of Monday, September 22nd. It will then reach its maximum brightness on Tuesday, September 17th at 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time. Unlike other full moons, the full moon almost always rises at the same time on the nights before and after. It will be only 25 to 30 minutes later each day, compared to an average of 50 minutes later each day throughout the year. On such nights, it will rise near sunset and appear full for 3 days in a row. Why you should see the next full moon still? Many naked-eye stargazers are very interested in finding out when the next full moon will appear, because there is something simply awe-inspiring about the bright lunar disk dominating the night sky. This is especially true during a supermoon, which creates excitement among many observers. And when you go outside to view a full moon, there's still plenty to see on the surface of the moon. Many astronomers and stargazers find a full moon unpleasant, as the bright moonlight drowns out views of deep sky objects. And even if you choose the moon as your observation subject, many argue that lunar features such as craters and lunar maria are better visible during lunar phases.